We were born ready to be free, chasing every thrill we could see. With our eyes steady, waking to a dream, aching to be thrown in the ring.
Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, good night, good day, good meal, whenever you guys are watching this. I'm at work right now, and it's like I have to clock in at 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and I was at work until 11 p.m. last night. And I know some of you guys might be doing the same thing, you know, late nights, early mornings, and I'm doing that right now. And that's why I look so tired. I'm gonna go to work, and I'm gonna be there for about 3 hours, and then we're gonna see what our day consists of. All right.
I know, but
Okay, so during rehearsal, we were walking back, and
dude, that's
they
so
found
cool.
this turtle. Look at this little turtle.
I'm so glad we didn't step on that. Dude.
There you go, Jade.
Saving the day.
How did it get this far? Applesauce?
Yeah, mine is too. Ah, there we go.
Hello, little
Awesome.
baby turtle. Hello. Hello.
Just keep him.
I'm so happy.
I want him, right?
He's just so cute. You guys, look. Oh. And this is Jade, everybody. That's Jade. I have a vlog, so you're gonna say hello. And this is Derek.
Hello, everyone.
Everybody else left us because we were too busy with the turtle. And go, turtle, go. So that's one of the cutest things I've ever seen. Jade saw him.
He's adorable.
So glad we didn't step on him, honestly, because he is so tiny.
It's a girl.
Or her. So glad we didn't step on her. So adorable. We love everybody. So currently, we are headed to Taco Cabana after. I just do this.
You just hold it while you drive down.
Yeah.
You edit my laugh out.
No. Just for that. Currently headed to Taco Cabana after a 3-hour rehearsal for scarecrows. We're gonna be friendly scarecrows.
Does this look friendly? When I do that, I don't think it looks. I don't know if that looks. You should have someone like hold this for you while you're driving, or like we can get
like
you
a
a
little-
rig. Yeah, right there. If you really want to at like a stoplight, you can use both of your hands. But while we're driving, she drives safely with both hands.
So we're back at home, and I am ready for a nap before we go over to Anna's. But J-Mo's still here. Good lady. Lady looks really big right now.
She is.
Lady.
She's like, the song's over, bye. I'm sorry.
Oh, lay down. Lay. Just lay down. Oh, yawn. Ooh. Ready for a nap, really quick, and then we're gonna head over to Anna's. What?
Oh, nothing. I was just looking at your face.
So currently on my way to Anna's house. I just dropped off J-Mo back at work to go pick up her car because she has to go pick up her mom. But we're on our way to Anna's house right now. I haven't seen Anna in so long, and we're just gonna have a little get together and a party. Yeah, super excited. Let's do it, guys.
As long as we're breathing, we'll go all the way or go home. We were born ready, wherever it leads. What we have is all we need. 'Cause if it's
That's a big boat. Hello. Hi. Say hello.
I'm in my
Hello.
I'm in my mom clothes.
It's okay.
Hungry.
You're a mother.
Hope you're hungry.
Hello, Charles.
Hello,
You every time.
how are you? Remember, love, peace. The world doesn't revolve around you, but always remember, God does.
God does. Thank you, Charles. What's your name? Do you want to say hello?
Maverick.
Yes, girl. That's mommy cooking. That's mama
Yes,
cooking.
this is mother's cooking right here. You get
yes.
some rice. You get you some rice.
Oh,
Like this was like literally this just got done cooking 5 minutes ago.
yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go. A, B. Okay.
H-E-B.
A-G-B. Oh, he's so smart. Yay!
And right here, we have a human mother and her child. She is disciplined. And mother is very venomous. Okay, well, what the hell you do when you're mad?
Maverick likes it. He likes it rough. Maverick, no. No. 1. Since 7 this morning. Slight drink. Love you, son.
You look so cool. Catch your finger in your nose and everything. So guys, Maverick is the new star of Daphne's Days, and he's gonna run me over. Oh my god!
Turn the other way, son. Other way.
You're going off the curb! Are you having fun? Alright. Good talk. I'm ready to roll. And currently, Charles is washing his car.
Hi, Daphne's vlog.
He's having fun.
Sometimes when a car gets dirty, you have to wash it. Think of it about life. Sometimes we go through life and we get dirty. And sometimes we have to go to a higher power to clean us. My preference, Jesus.
Are you having fun being a mom?
Love it. But I want to have another.
Whoa!
Mother
Yes.
in her leopard flip-flops. Her little cargo black.
Yes.
Trees, little food stains, oil stains, and her little heart black.
And our little.
Fun.
And here comes her son.
Oh, car was made for watching.
There's things you do and there's things you don't do, Daphne's vlog. Wax off!
What you doing?
Guess I'll go. Just gonna stop by Walmart. Buy some $2 shorts.
No! Cory's got like 15,000 shorts. Mama! Take two.
What's wrong? And never mind.
This is why I can't write. This is why I can't play. I can't do anything.
I was just cleaning his car, but Maverick's just gonna get dirtier.
He's working hard.
But is he throwing the dirt back on my car?
No.
I was like, I just washed it. Well,
This vlog is gonna be about birth control. Maverick, okay, that's it.
Here we go. Okay, 1, 2, 7. Almost.
A black Jack.
yes, Jack is black.
Jack is black.
Jack is black.
Cory, so I vlog. Do you want to say hi to my vlog?
Hi, vlog.
Hi, Daphne's vlog. My name is Charles Bell. Right now, I'm playing with Maverick, the son of Cory and Ana Rodriguez. Cory is the drummer. Ana's the singer. Maverick, he is a hybrid. That means he's gonna play drums and sing and more. Oh, no, just kidding.
All right, guys, we are headed out, and we are. Well, this is my first time going in a Hummer, which is really cool. That's a Hummer. That's Cory, actually, and that's a Hummer. And Maverick's in the car already. Say hi. Say hi. What are you shy? But yeah.
Her first time on a boat.
On a boat and in a Hummer. And look at this boat. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I cannot wait. I'm sitting next to Maverick.
They knew how to download the King's.
Hi, Maverick.
She hasn't heard it yet.
Hi, Maverick.
Mike McCready.
What?
Pearl Jam.
Hi, Maverick.
Every day, every day.
wake up, I'll be long gone. Made the great escape, took my heart and run. There's no returning, no burning bridges down. Phoenix to the golden flame.
We're in the water. Anna, I'm so excited. Thank you for inviting us.
I'm so happy you came.
Hi.
Charles, are you excited?
I'm just ready to have a beer.
Anya, I was Hi.
Cha? Don't interrupt me, Cha.
Okay, Anya, I'm sorry. Hi. My name is Chuck. Hi.
E, F, G. F. Can I get a kiss? Thank you. Happy birthday. Maverick, are you ready to go on the lake? I am.
Over you, over you. I'm all cried out. Burn up, burning up, burn all my tears away.
Oh my goodness, right now this is crazy.
So sorry for your pain. I'm all cried out. Cause boy, I'm all cried out. Burning up, burning up, burning up. Cause boy, I'm all cried out. Over you, over you.
I got it. That's what you did to me.
I was like,
Hi. Hi.
That was one of the most thrilling experiences I've ever had. Ever. It's beautiful. It was amazing.
Girl, you'll come with us every weekend then, okay?
Yes, okay.
And we'll do it all day.
All day?
We'll go wakeboarding.
Wakeboarding!
Tubing.
And
we'll go swimming.
And swimming. Jet skiing.
Jet skiing. You like that,
Have your little temper tantrum because that doesn't bother me. It doesn't. You'll be okay because that doesn't bother me. Just let me know. You know? Yeah. So I guess y'all had some fun? Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah. That was awesome.
Thank you.
It was a wonderful first time.
And you can watch all of your
When you gonna start working out, yeah? When you gonna start working out, yeah?
We're here at Maddie's school. She's moving out. She's moving out. Alright guys, so it's been 2-3 hours since you saw the footage on the lake. But I just got home, just got dressed, just got comfortable. I have a full day ahead of me tomorrow. So looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to spending time with my mom because we're gonna go shopping. I'm super tired. I am so tired. You know, doing these vlogs can get super tiring because, you know, you shoot what you can all day, as well as, you know, doing everything from work to school to homework, you know, everything like that, as well as at the end of the day you gotta edit them. So it takes a lot of work and it takes a lot of energy from you. The footage that I took today was just amazing. You know, I didn't know that we were gonna go on a boat ride, you know, on the lake. But it was absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it was so beautiful just to see, like, the sunset on a lake on a boat with some good friends. You know, that was amazing. And I want to thank you, Anna, and I want to thank you, Cory, for you know, inviting me to that. I've never done that before, so that was absolutely that was a blessing. So I want to thank you guys. You guys are super awesome if you guys are watching this. And I want to say also hi to Maverick if Maverick is watching. Can you sing your ABCs again? Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I want you guys to have a good day, a good morning, a good meal, good night, whenever you guys are watching this. Stay rad and stuff, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys. I love you.